Hello guys, I'm back again with another Beyblade video, and before I begin this video, I want to let you guys know that I sell Beyblades on eBay, and if you guys are interested in buying any, I have the link for that in the description below. And now for this video, I'm going to be reviewing Wind Aquario 100 HF/S, and this is from the Random Booster Light Wheel Volume 2, and I think this is the prize Beyblade for that series, so that's pretty cool. And now I'll be taking it apart. And like the name suggests, this Beyblade is very light, because that instead of a fusion wheel, it's a light wheel, and this is very light. It's made entirely of plastic. But I'll be getting to the light wheel soon. But anyways, here we have the faceplate Aquario. Sticker's a little bit worn, but still looks cool. And we have the energy ring Aquario. And I think this is one of the heaviest metal fight fusion wheels, or energy rings. So it's very good for like competitive use, I think, in defense and stamina combos. And we have the light wheel Wind. And this is the light wheel equivalents of Storm. So as you can see, they look very similar. They have like, both have like the 3 blades, but there's some like more minor design differences. Like this, as you can see, is more smooth on the inside, and then this has a lot of the grooves. And on the outside, at first they look pretty similar, but as you can see, again, the wind wheel is more smooth, but the the actual Storm, the metal wheel, has more of an intricate design here, kind of more like bumpy here. So yeah, those are the differences. And of course, the wind wheel and the light wheels in general, they're not meant for competitive use, because I'm pretty sure they just break because they're so light and fragile. So I think they're just for competitive or collectors purposes only. And now we have the Spin Track 100 and the Performance Step HF/S. And of course it's called that because you can change the mode. So first you have HF, the attack mode. And you make it the attack mode by here, let me change it back. So next you have the sharp mode. Try to focus the camera. And the sharp mode is a stamina. And then you can lift up this top plastic plate here, and then rotate it, and then you have the attack mode HF. And then to change it back, you rotate it again, the top plate, or the top piece, and then push it back down, and then you have sharp. Whoops. Now I'll be putting the Beyblade back together. There. Here. And there's the Beyblade once again. And I will be doing a spin test with the sharp mode first, the stamina mode. Show the stadium there. And there's the stamina mode. And then I'm going to switch it to attack. And there's the attack mode. So yeah, there was my review of Wind Aquario. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.